Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about remote full-stack developer jobs.
We're not just talking about any jobs, but rather positions that'll pay top dollar for your skills and let you work from anywhere.
Needless to say, it is indeed one of the hottest and most sought-after opportunities in the remote work world. Talking about exactly what skills you actually need and the strategies that separate successful remote developers from everyone else.
If you're ready to stop being limited by geography and start earning what you're truly worth for your full-stack skills, then this video is for you.
So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Start with the opportunity. Here's something that might surprise you. Over 60% of all full-stack developer positions are now remote.
We're not talking about low-paying gigs here. Remote full-stack developers are earning from $100,000 to $200,000 per year.
Specialized roles can go even higher. We're talking $250,000 to $350,000 for the right expertise.
And here's a beautiful thing about remote work: geographic arbitrage, a real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs.
Disclaimer, please note that all salary ranges mentioned are arbitrary numbers and are often determined by multiple factors,
Including but not limited to geographic location, experience, skills, and company size, and may be adjusted
based on the full details of the compensation package, including benefits, equity, bonuses, and other perks.
Companies are desperately competing for talented developers who can build complete applications from database to user interface.
Just need to know which technologies pay the most, how to showcase your abilities, and where companies are actually hiring. Now, let's understand the role a bit more in detail. So, what exactly is a full-stack developer?
Well, think of it this way. You're both the architect and the interior designer of a building. Technically, you'll be working with databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB, backend languages like Python, Node.js, Java, or Golang. Along with front-end frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular, you'd be also designing APIs, deploying to cloud platforms like AWS or Azure. A couple of years ago, knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and one backend language was enough. Today, you need to understand microservices architecture, containerization with Docker, CI/CD pipelines, and security best practices.
Now, let's talk about what you actually need to master to land these jobs.
Starting with front-end, React is the absolute essential. About 40% of full-stack jobs specifically mention it. You'll also want to know modern JavaScript plus TypeScript, which is becoming increasingly important. Frameworks like Tailwind or Bootstrap are essential for responsive design, and you need to understand state management with tools like Redux. On the back-end side, Node.js dominates because JavaScript developers can work full stack without switching languages. Python with Django or Flask is huge, especially for companies doing data work or machine learning. Golang has surged in popularity for high-performance applications, and PHP remains strong, particularly for Laravel positions. You need to master RESTful API design, database architecture with both SQL databases like PostgreSQL and NoSQL options like MongoDB. Master PostgreSQL thoroughly, then explore NoSQL options and even big data tools like Apache Hive for analytics-heavy roles. Cloud platforms are non-negotiable. AWS dominates the market, so familiarity with EC2, S3, and Lambda helps tremendously.
Understanding Docker containerization and Kubernetes orchestration adds serious value to your profile. Now let's talk emerging technologies that can skyrocket your salary. AI and machine learning integration is huge right now.
AI full-stack engineers integrate LLMs into full-stack applications.
Web3 blockchain expertise leads to high-paying roles in smart contracts, cryptography, and token standards.
Cybersecurity specialists with expertise in vulnerabilities and secure authentication command higher salaries, including senior roles.
So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time.
We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews.
Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you.
So let's recap the key takeaways from this video. First, remote full-stack developer jobs now represent over 60% of all job lists. Second, you need to master both front-end frameworks, back-end technologies, plus cloud platforms.
Third, strong communication and self-management are just as important as technical skills for remote success. Fourth, portfolio projects with live deployment significantly outperform resumes alone because recruiters want to see working code.
All right, let's wrap this up. The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere.
Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen.
Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs.
What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.